In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Docusign documents efficiently and quickly. Whether you're a business professional who needs to locate electronic agreements or just someone trying to stay organized, knowing how to navigate through Docusign is an essential skill in our increasingly digital world. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to head over to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leader in electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it a go-to platform for many businesses and individuals alike. You can easily find them online by typing Docusign into your search bar or entering their URL directly. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a prominent login button. Go ahead and click that. After clicking login, you'll be guided to the login page. Enter your credentials such as your email and password to access your Docusign account. It's always a good idea to ensure these details are kept secure and, if possible, opt for two-factor authentication for added security. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Docusign homepage. This is your dashboard where you can access a variety of features and tools. From here, look for the Agreements option. It's usually at the top or side menu. By clicking on Agreements, you're taking the next step in getting closer to finding the specific documents you need. Now, within the Agreements section, you'll see an option titled Inbox. Click on Inbox to view your received documents. The inbox serves as a repository of the agreements or documents that have been sent to you, making it easy to locate received files. If you're looking for something specific, make use of the search bar. The search function in Docusign is intuitive and incredibly useful. Simply type in keywords related to the document you're looking for, such as the title, a signer's name, or even a unique identifier if you have it on hand. This feature helps you quickly sift through your documents, saving time and effort. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to navigate Docusign and locate your important documents effectively. Keep these steps in mind the next time you need to find an agreement quickly. With practice, you'll become even more proficient at managing your digital documents within Docusign. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this. Have a great day.